Courtroom, sir.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, good morning, everyone. Mr. Pericano, what do you have going on with your client? What's gonna be
Mr. Livingston is going to be accepting the offer with a no contest plea. He should be logging on with his wife now if they're not already logged in.
a rough one? All right. I don't hear Mr. Livingston. Mr. Livingston is not here, so let me know when you see him join the room.
I will, thank you.
All right. All right, are we ready on Lanier, Mr. Faulkner?
I don't think so.
We're here.
Oh, okay.
No, Aaliyah Lanier.
Livingston is here.
Livingston is here. Okay, good
Willie.
morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus, are we ready, Mr. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Willie Livingston, case number U66341023. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Willie Livingston.
Mr. Livingston, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Your name.
Willie Livingston.
Good morning to you, Mr. Livingston. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Did you go over your advice or rights with your client's counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, I did advise them of their rights contained in the advice of rights form, and Mr. Livingston is prepared to waive those.
Is that the understanding you're going to enter into a no contest plea to this allegation, sir?
Yeah.
It's going to be a no contest to disorderly conduct, Your Honor, with a John's class in HIV testing.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Livingston?
Is that what you want to do?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put
Yes,
your hand down.
Put your hand down.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yeah.
Do you understand that it's 90 days in jail and $500 fine?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Do you understand you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
Is that Miss Livingston?
Yes, sir.
Can you state your, good morning to you, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Adrian Crockett Livingston.
Very good. I just want to make sure that you're he's probably had a little bit difficult time of hearing. Just let the record reflect that Miss Livingston's wife is kind of, in a sense, translating for him because I'm seeing that he doesn't understand. I mean, doesn't exactly hear clearly what I'm saying because maybe his hearing is probably a little bit reduced. Is that correct?
That is correct. Yes, sir.
All right. And Mr. Livingston, Mr. Pericano, at some time during the pendency of this case, went over your other advice or rights. Did he not?
Yes. Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Did you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me, for the purposes of the no contest plea under disorderly conduct, counselor, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an factual basis for that? No
Yes.
contest plea? And,
Yes, so stipulated.
okay, with that
Yes.
stipulation, we're gonna find your client, I'm gonna enter a no contest plea on behalf of your client. And but that no contest plea is gonna be treated like a guilty plea, Mr. Livingston, for the purposes of sentencing. I'm gonna sentence you to $240 fine. I'm gonna have you take a misdemeanor morality class and get the required testing. I can either refer that to probation or I can allow your attorney to help you facilitate that. Which one would you like, Mr. Pericano?
I can facilitate them getting set up for the class, Your Honor, and the testing
well.
through.
Is 30 days gonna be good enough time for your client?
Your Honor, if you would allow 60, they are on a fixed income. He's retired, 71 years old. If we could have 60, that would be great.
He's
I'm gonna
80.
give-
80.
He's 80,
I'm
yeah.
sorry.
I'm gonna give you till June the 3rd, 2024 as a review date. Come back in with those documentations that money paid.
Man, bro, what are you working, bro? I don't give a fuck. Stop playing me. You gotta come out here and guard.
And we will close the matter out under disorderly conduct, okay? No contest.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, you, Ms. Livingston, Mr. Livingston, and Mr. Caricano, have a very good day. Best of luck to you all right?
Thank you,
Thank
Your Honor. I'll
you.
call you Miss Livingston now.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Let's
Bye-bye.
go to, are we ready on Alana Lanier?
I think so.
Let's go to the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus, I should have said Aaliyah Monet Lanier, case number SP 1548104, counts 1 and counts 2, and SX 4309225, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representative defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Aaliyah Monet Lynn.
Yeah, I just have one ticket with 2 counts.
Right, so I have on here a state matter in the same, the expired plate and no insurance as well. They're still infractions.
Uh-huh. They're not in default.
No.
I just have
What's the recommendation for Ms. Lanier?
Your Honor, you
from
say
the-
those are state cases, you said, for the civil?
Yes.
That's the state. I mean, she's got her insurance, so I'm dismissing on that one. And she has registration, Mr.
yes.
Okay, so I'll dismiss the no insurance and the expired plates on our part.
All right, we're gonna dismiss all the matters for providing valid documentation, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Ms. Lanier.
Thank you.
Mr. Gallup, you were here yesterday.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. What's going on?
So I have went down to the court and downtown yesterday around 2 to pay the fees you told me to pay.
Mhm.
And they told me they checked. I gave them my license. They checked. There was only a $50 fee that I was gonna pay. I was like, oh, that's not the amount he told me. So they told me it might be maybe it needs to be updated.
Somebody put $304 in here. I don't know why they did that. It's updated, but we need to update this one.
Yeah.
So Ms. Mathis,
Yes, sir.
on this ticket I just printed out.
This one right here?
Yeah, no, it's coming out of your document. That's supposed to be $240 instead of $305.
Okay. So 5 and 3.
Yes. All right. All right, we'll correct that. You should be able to come down now and pay it off. It'll be $240 plus $175. All right, Mr. Rand?
Yeah. And then I have one question, Your Honor. So yesterday, I don't know if I think I got it mixed up when because I had 2 court dates yesterday, one at 8:30 in the morning and then one at 1:30 p.m. And as we were speaking, I thought I only had one of the loud.
All of them are taken up. All your matters were taken under that one thing. All right.
Yeah. That's what I was assuming.
You don't have any more things to worry about. All right.
Yeah. No, nothing. So is there any points or?
No points, no nothing. You got to dismiss the one when you pay it. We'll close the other one out. All right.
Yeah, I appreciate you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
All right, you too. Have a good day.
This is the city of Detroit versus Richard Clyde Oliver, case number SP 109-2362, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 119047, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578 on behalf of Mr. Oliver. State your name for the record. Hit *6 to unmute and state your name, Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, hit *6. There you go. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm here.
State your name.
Richard Oliver.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and waive formal reading.
Enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Oliver's behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Let's see, I have one case that a no plate civil infraction that should be added to this recommendation. The recommendation as it stands right now is pleading to I think we're in the same situation as we were yesterday, and we don't have all the, unless I'm looking at the wrong thing. I have an offer Tuesday, April 2nd. These offers are, it's not this sheet. You're going off of probably some older sheets with some, you're not getting the updated. Yeah, this sheet was created March the 18th. This sheet was created March the 18th. The sheet I'm operating off of, the docket sheet that I'm operating off of, is created yesterday. So there's a lot of offers that aren't on this sheet, including Mr. Oliver's. So write this down, Ms. Bradfield, Ms. Mason. Driver's license suspended, unregistered, untitled, no insurance, driver's license suspended, all 4 misdemeanors, and a no plate civil infraction. Those are the 5 charges that we're gonna consider today.
Who, Your Honor? What's the defendant?
This is Richard Clyde Oliver. Pass the matter until we get an offer. Rachel Little.
Yes, present.
Unto you. This is the city of Detroit versus Rachel Lee Little, case number SP 129-3394, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 129-80, counts 1, 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Who's the defendant, Your Honor? Oh, go ahead, Alan.
Alan Stroke appearing on behalf of Miss Rachel Little, Your Honor.
I'm here. Yes, I'm ready.
What's your name, Ms. Little?
Rachel Lee Little.
Rachel Little on Zion's iPhone. All right, today is the date and time set for the arraignment. Go ahead, counsel on bench.
Your Honor, I haven't spoke to Miss Little here. She has 1 ticket or 2 tickets, no driver's license, no insurance. I would need to speak to her for a minute.
Yes, 3 tickets, she has 6 tickets we're gonna consider. The 3 of them misdemeanors are no insurance misdemeanor, no driver's license, and a driver's license expired and a no ops. Then she has 3 defective equipment tickets. So 3 defective equipment civil infractions, 1 no insurance, and 2 driver's license, 1 suspended, 1 expired. We need to get an updated offer on the 3, add the 3, add the 3 no insurance, the 3 defective equipments to that offer. Let me put you in a breakout room, Ms. Little, with Mr. Soroki. He's gonna get you an updated offer and he'll speak to you.
Yes.
Okay.
Your Honor, just one second. You're saying 3 defective equipment tickets and 3, what are the other 3 tickets?
And the 3 things that are on the docket.
Okay. All right, very good.
3
Thank you.
civil infractions, 3 misdemeanors.
Okay, thank you.
Let's move on to, let's pass that matter. Join that breakout room and speak. Wait on Mr. Soroki, Ms. Little, please. Let's move on. Let's pass that matter. Let's move to Eugene Garrett, City of Detroit versus Eugene Garrett, case number SP 1499444, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1499821, SP 1529669, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Bradfield. Mr. Falk.
Yes, Your Honor. Paul Faulkner, representing defendant.
Mr. Garrett, can you state your name for the record, please?
Eugene Garrett.
All right. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Mr. Faulkner, included in on that offer to speak to Ms. Mason. It's 3 civil infractions, an expired plate, improper equipment, and a 16 to 20 over, okay?
Improper equipment, and what was the speeding?
A 16 to 20 over, and then that including the 4 misdemeanors. Get an updated offer for Mr. Garrett. Your breakout room is going to be breakout room 3, Mr. Faulkner.
Okay.
Judge, you know what breakout room Little's in? If you know.
Little? Oh, she's speaking with her attorney in breakout room 2.
Can you come into 3, Miss Mason? Or, who is that?
Go to breakout room 4 and speak to Miss Mason. I don't want her to go into the breakout room when she's speaking to her client, when they're speaking to the client.
Can I say something, Your Honor?
Yeah, you may.
Okay, can the clerk verify that Rachel Little has a valid driver's license?
Do that. Or you have this one? We're doing that now.
Thank you.
And then Miss Mason wanted to speak to you too. So I'm gonna put you in breakout room 4.
Okay, I'll talk to Miss Little. I'll talk to Miss Mason and Miss Little, no problem.
All right, I will verify that now, and then we'll let you go in there.
Okay.
All right, so we'll just keep you at breakout room. Your breakout room will be 2, Mr. Soroki. Mr. Faulkner's will be 3, and Ms. Bradfield's will be 5. And Ms. Little has a valid driver's license.
Very good. All right, thank you. Join. Go.
Mr. Faulkner, you have the ability to move around to the breakout rooms your breakout room will be 2, right? No, your breakout room will be 3.
Okay, there's a defendant in there.
That's your defendant, Garrett, right?
Yeah, let's see. Yes.
So go to breakout room. If you need to speak, we'll go to breakout room 3. That'll be your breakout room all the time.
Okay.
Good morning on the iPhone 132. Good morning to you. Good morning, Sergeant Lloyd. iPhone
How you doing, sir?
132.
Yes, sir. This is Officer Eason. I'm here on, give me a second. I believe his name is Patrick O'Neill Graham.
Okay. Good morning, Officer Eason. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 1. You can wait on the city.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Officer Hudson, good morning to you. Breakout room.
Yes, Judge.
Breakout room 1. Officer Franklin, good morning to you. Richard Oliver, SOS. please. Richard Oliver.
This is Mr. Ellis.
Yes.
Yes, Ellis.
On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can I get your name, please? Unmute yourself, start your video.
Judge,
you talking to
Judge,
me?
this is the city prosecutor. As a housekeeping, I'll be in room 4.
Okay, and you have also a lot of officers in room 1.
Gotcha.
We're ready on Garrett.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Eugene Garrett. Mr. Faulkner is giving you an opportunity to pre-try the case. What does Mr. Garrett want to do?
He wishes to accept the offer. He plead guilty to 1 failure to display, 1 allowing an unlicensed person, and 1 to 5 over. The rest be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Garrett?
Yes.
I did explain his rights to him.
Can you raise your right hand, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Let me inform you that this deal, if you don't already have a valid license, it's probably going to suspend your license for another 2 years. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor.
With that stipulation, I'll find him responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 from the 16 to 20, $125. You understand that you have an absolute, you understand that the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines, Mr. Garrett?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Parker went over your other rights and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understand those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 7th, 2023, at around 1:26 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hubble and Finkel. Did you have an occasion on that day to come to the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operate a motor vehicle.
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Correct.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have it at the time.
Very well. Did officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't produce that either, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have it at the time.
Very well. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate. Is that correct, Mr. Faulkner? And an allowing?
There's
No, failure to display, huh?
yes, Your Honor. It's 3 failure to display, allowing, and 1 to 5 over.
I'm gonna find you guilty of amended count of improper plate for the no insurance. I'm gonna dismiss that upon payment. And then I'm gonna find you guilty of failure to display, $240 fine for that. Those 2 moving violations will probably suspend your license for the next 2 years, unfortunately, Mr. Garrett. And with stipulation of probable cause, I'm going to dismiss the other matters. Can I get that stipulation, Mr. Faulkner?
So stipulate.
All right, when can you pay 240, and 125, sir.
By the end of the month.
I'll give you till, come back on May the 2nd, 2024 for a review. Pay those matters at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDac app to your phone. And if, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay those in person. If you don't have anything further, sir, May the 2nd, 2024, come on back for a review. We can dismiss the one case, close the other ones out to be paid. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, what were those amounts again?
240, 240, and 125.
Okay. Okay then.
Mr. Faulkner, this is gonna be for you. This is the city of Detroit versus Dakari Rayshawn Gunn. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. Case number SP 107-725-1, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 125-1903, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 125-225-21. SP 134-8845, counts 1 and counts 3. SP 134-88461. SP 142-7165-1, SP 142-7171-1, 217-330-26, counts 1 and counts 2, and 217-614. Hold on. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Faulkner.
Who is the defendant, Your Honor?
A gun, Dakari Rayshawn Gunn. He's only got 1 count on the docket. You're gonna have to get an updated offer with all of those counts. I don't know if you can go into the system and see all of his charges.
I cannot, Your Honor.
All right, we'll read them off. The purposes of arraignment.
Stay on mute, Your Honor. Wait for my reading.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. You ready, Mr. Faulkner and Ms.
Yes,
Mason?
Your Honor.
All right. The no insurance misdemeanor. Driver's license never acquired. Defective lights. Expired plates. Driver's license suspended. Failure to stop at a stop sign. No registration. Civil infraction. A no ops. A no plates. Civil infraction. Drive while unlicensed. Unregistered, untitled misdemeanor. Drive while license suspended. A no insurance misdemeanor. And a no ops. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 misdemeanors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 civil infractions. So you have a total of 14 cases. All right. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Gunn. Mr. Faulkner's gonna try to work something out on your behalf, and you can wait on him in that breakout room, okay? And you have an absolute right to it. Okay, who are we ready on?
Rachel Little, Your Honor.
Let's go back off the record with Gunn, and let's go back on the record with Ms. Little. Ms. Little, given your attorney opportunity and you opportunity to speak, what's the resolution, Mr. Soroki?
Your Honor, defendant will be pleading to a reduced charge from no insurance misdemeanor and ticket ending in 394, count 1. It will be reduced to improper plates. The driver's license expired ticket will be dismissed. No operator's license on person will be dismissed. And defendant will plead to 1 defective equipment civil infraction. The other 2 civil infractions will be dismissed.
So just the one improper place of misdemeanor and one defective equipment?
Yes, Your Honor, and the other 4 tickets will be
Well,
dismissed.
what's going on? I mean, what this vehicle, I've got 3 defective equipments on 1 ticket.
Now the car is totaled. I asked her if
Yeah.
she fixed them. She said the car is totaled now, so.
Anybody need the prosecutor?
Mr.
Okay,
Faulkner, out on 4.
Okay. Faulkner, breakout room 4.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I don't understand why somebody has to do that, but it seems like some people kick you when you're down. Your car is not in order, obviously, but they write you for everything they possibly can.
Yeah.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, I will, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
I do, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 22nd, 2021, around 2:03 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Trumbull. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor. I didn't have it at the time.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of
Improper plates.
thank you, Mr. Soroki. Improper plates, $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. Was this missing mirror on that car, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor. It had got knocked off right then. A truck had flew by from the company across the street because I was staying at the Salvation Army.
Fine. Are you have stable housing now, ma'am?
I'm living with relatives.
All right. Do you want us to try to assist you on getting some stable housing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm gonna put you into what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find her responsible for the defective equipment, but I'm not gonna fine her for that. I'm gonna dismiss the other matters with the stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, at this time, I'm gonna pass the matter. I'm gonna get our democracy court on the line and give you an opportunity to speak with them. Have you spoke with them, Ms. Little?
No, never, ever.
Let's see if they can assist you. Maybe you guys can work. I'm gonna get street democracy court on the line.
Thank you.
Your Honor?
Yes.
Oh, was that Gun you wanted me to go in the breakout room? Gun?
Yes, Gun. He's waiting for you in breakout room 3.
Yeah, I just can't find him on my docket.
Gun has got 1 count, and then I gave you all of those matters that you were supposed to work out with the city attorney.
Yeah, I understand that, Your Honor. I can't find it on the.
There's only 1 count above at the top of 8. I mean, near the middle of 830 or the top half portion of 830 under Kayla Gross.
Nothing under 8:30.
You probably have an old docket then.
Yeah.
All right. So
Okay,
he's
well-
on arraignment on the bench warrant on that one count, but he has those other counts.
What was that one count?
The one count was the no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay. Okay, we'll try to get it done.
Do you have all the other stuff? Did you work out a deal on all of it?
I wrote down all the ones you mentioned.
And did you work out the deal for him?
Not yet. I gotta talk to Ms. Mason.
All right, go back and break out room 4 then. All right. Motorola, Moto G. Your camera on and start the video and state your name, please. Motorola, Moto G. I'm not going to continue to ask you. I've been asking you earlier. You took your do-rag off. What's your name, please? All right, let's move on. Motorola Moto G. Good morning to you, sir. You don't have to take all that off if you're at work. What's your name?
Renard Givens, sir.
Givens, good morning to you.
Good morning. I apologize, sir. I'm at this new job and the boss is real strict and.
All right. Let's get you on and out of here then. Let's get Givens. Renard.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. Is that Renard Damon Givens?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Renard Damon Givens, case number SP 152-84651 and 19-314-111. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne
Alice,
Bradfield on
go ahead.
behalf of Mr. Givens. State your name for the record, sir.
Renard Damian Givens.
All right, Mr. Givens, today is the date and time set for a review and a pretrial. Do you have a valid license, sir?
No, Your Honor. I was trying to see if I can get maybe like a 30 to 35 day extension, only because the last time we had Zoom, I got fired from that job. And I've just been at this job for 2 weeks now. But if you can give me an extension, I would greatly appreciate it. And I can be able to try to pay the fines and fees.
Well, you don't have any fines and fees yet, except for that one review you had. And I'm going to give you until pretrial date of May the 24th, 2024 at 8:30. Come back and try to get a valid license, all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Have a good day, sir. Congratulations on
Thank
the
you.
new job. And best of luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. I greatly appreciate you.
All right, go ahead. Have a good day. So here's how we'll do it. In order to keep everybody moving in the breakout rooms, once I finish a case of yours, I'll call the very next case and you'll go into the breakout room with that person. And then the other person that's waiting, like Miss whoever already spoke to their client, then we'll get them going. So you understand where I'm coming from, counselors?
Yes, Your Honor. Do we have an update on Mr. Oliver's driver license status?
Mr. Oliver is valid.
Okay, we need an offer for him.
Okay.
So I'll, Miss Mason.
Get that offer for Mr. Oliver, and then I guess Mr. Soroki, do you have anybody you're ready on?
No, Your Honor, I'm waiting. I can go to room 2.
All
and
right,
let you find someone.
let's get you going with Lionel. Giannis. This is the city of Detroit versus Carmark, Cologne, Giannis. Case number of SP 1392711, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1523777, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1524310, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Tarmar Colonianos.
Today, good morning, Mr. Yanis. Today is the day and time set for a pre-trial. The offer is going to be failure to display, improper place, 1 to 5, 2 misdemeanors, 1 civil infraction, and add to that another 1 to 5. 2 civil infractions, 2 misdemeanors, dismissing the rest. And you have an absolute right to a trial. That's going to be 240, 240, 125, and 125. If you don't already have a valid driver's license, sir, you're probably going to be in the situation, if you take this deal, that you won't be eligible for a license for 2 years. Okay, let me put you in a breakout. Mr. Soroki, he'll go over those rights. Keep in mind, you always have an absolute right to a trial. All right.
All right.
Join the room, please.
Okay.
And Mr. Soroki, Ms. Mason will be in room 4. If you want to get some kind of updated offer or something. Join the room, Mr. Yanis.
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Officer Franklin.
Officer Franklin, good morning to you.
Good morning. How you doing? I got another case at 9:30 in another courtroom. Just to let you know.
I just thank you for letting me know. I got you. Let me make sure I got you checked in. Well, I'll have you checked in. I'll remember, but I'll mark that down. You're here on Lawrence.
Yes.
All right. You're here. Okay. I will be here.
All right. Cool. I appreciate it.
All right. Have a good one.
You too. Okay. Bye bye.
Excuse me, do I have to check in before being seen?
I have you checked in. Good to you, ma'am. What's your last name?
Lee.
Lee. Any other officers I haven't recognized yet?
Officer Richardson, sir.
Officer Richardson.
Yes, sir.
Let's see, Officer Richardson. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Officer Richardson.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, officer. Excuse me, judge. I wanted to make sure that this is my correct court today morning. I want to check in.
Morning to you, Santana.
Yes, sir.
You have a hyphenated last name?
Yep, Nunez. Nunez.
Nunez.
Yep.
Do you have a case number?
I do. 1 second. I can give it to you right now. Okay. It's SP 14113863.
No, you're in Roberta Archer.
Oh,
Roberta Arch.
okay.
Let me
So
get
I'll
you
leave
the
this
Zoom.
court and go to that court.
Yes, let me get you the Zoom ID for her court.
Please, thank you. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm not yet.
Okay.
All right, Archer is going to be 360-333-0000. 360-333-0000. Best of luck to you, Mr. Williams.
How many zeros is it at the end? Sorry.
4 zeros at the end.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, who are we ready on? Anybody ready?
Yes, Your Honor, we ready on Richard Oliver. I put his offer in the chat box.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. And counsel, your client wants to take the offer, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor. He would like to enter a guilty and responsible plea and accept the offer. He is aware of his trial rights as well.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Oliver?
I do. Yes, I do.
Can you raise your right hand?
Sir. Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Miss Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 23rd, 2020, around 3:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Roselawn and Finkel. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid registration for that vehicle or valid insurance for that vehicle.
Yes.
You could not do either, could you?
No, I could not.
Why is that?
Because it wasn't my vehicle, and I work on cars, and I didn't know the car wasn't registered or nothing like that. I was just test driving the vehicle.
Okay. So you satisfied with that, Miss Bradfield?
I am satisfied.
I'll mark it down for the unregistered untitled.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Also stipulate to the face of the ticket for the civil infraction as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea for the civil infraction.
And we so stipulate, Your Honor.
I'll reduce that down to 145. 240 for I'll find him guilty of the improper play, 240 dismiss upon payment. I'll find him responsible for the amended count of, for the expired plates or the no plates, 145. 240, 145. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. He's gonna pay all the reinstatement fees. I got 1, 2, 3 reinstatement fees. The 240 and 145, when can you pay it, Mr. Oliver?
Your Honor, he's on a fixed and limited income. I would like to ask if it's possible to give him 60 days to come up with a down payment so he can enter into the court's payment plan.
All right, I'm gonna give you until June 3rd to set all that up. I'm gonna mark the file, allow payment plan, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
If it's nothing further, Mr. Oliver, your review date is back on June 3rd. Come back June 3rd if you haven't entered into that payment plan. If you entered into that payment plan before then, you don't have to come back. Have a very good day, Mr. Oliver. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave. Okay, I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
Have a
you,
good day, sir. You're welcome. Have the best of luck. Miss Bradfield, this is the city of Detroit versus Kayla, Annette, Adele, Gross. Case numbers SP 127-6320, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 129-95921. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of my client. Please state your name for the record.
Kayla Gross.
For purpose
All
of
right.
arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Are you Kayla, Annette, Adele Gross?
Yes, I'm trying to figure out how to turn on my camera. I'm sorry. Yes.
All right, enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. She's got a no insurance misdemeanor, driver's license. Oh, they're all on the docket. The offer today, as it stands right now, there is no offer because it's not on the offer sheet. Let Ms. Gross, Ms. Bradfield, I'm gonna put Ms. Gross in the breakout room, and you can get an offer from Ms. Mason. Okay. Go to the breakout room 5, Ms. Gross, and wait on Ms. Bradfield to get that offer. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
All right, who's next? Let's pass that matter.
Gun, we're ready.
Gun is ready. Let's go back on the record with Gun. Mr. Gunn, I've given Mr. Bradfield and Mr. Faulkner an opportunity to pre-try your case. I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Gunn. What's the resolution, Mr. Bradfield, Mr. Faulkner?
Hey, request a waiver trial, Your Honor.
Okay, is that what you want to do, trial date, Mr. Gunn?
Yes, I do. But I also have a question.
What's your question?
So I had went down to the 36th District Court and I had paid 3 tickets off. I got the receipt right here. I had paid 2 of them off for $288 and I had paid 1 of them off for $336.
Okay.
Does that lead up to, do that equals up to the accounts that you had said that I got, or is that that's something totally different?
No, that doesn't lead up to this. That's off of here. You have all these, but that would probably, have you been to the Secretary of State?
Have I been to the Secretary of State? No, sir. The last time I went, I had tried to get my license.
You probably need to go to the Secretary of State if you don't have any tickets in any other jurisdictions. With those, you should have clearances here down at the 36th District Court at least, all right?
You said I go to the 36th District Court and what?
I would try to go to the 36th District Court now that you paid off those 2 no insurance civil infractions, all right?
Okay, and then do what?
Try to get a license. I don't know if you have any tickets in any other.
No, Detroit the only place I had been. I ain't got nowhere tickets nowhere else. So you said I come down to the court, or do I go to Secretary of State?
No, go to Secretary of State now. You paid those no insurances. Those are the ones that really affect your license. Oddly enough, that's the only thing that really affects you. Not the only thing, but one of the major things that affects your license. No insurance, civil infractions, and you paid them.
Okay.
So I would try to go to the Secretary of State now. Come back July the 1st, 2024 for a trial date. All right.
You said July the
1st, 2024. July the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right.
9 a.m.
Exactly.
Thank you. Now, I should go to Secretary of State right now and see what they saying, right?
I would try. If they don't give you a license, they should be able to give you a printout and tell you everything that's affecting your license, okay?
All right, thank you.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right, Mr. Faulkner, this is for you. This is the city of Detroit versus Jesse Lamont Gaines Jr. Case number SP 1305745, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1523951. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, what was the last name on that?
Gaines. He's at the top of 830. And he's not on your docket because you, well, I don't know if he's not on your docket, but he's not on the offer sheet because the offer sheet was created almost more than 2 weeks ago. And that's not an updated offer sheet.
Okay.
He's on the regular docket, he's at the top at 8:30. Arraignment on the bench warrant.
And that's for
Jesse Gaines Jr. Jesse Lamont Gaines Jr. Press *6, Mr. Gaines Jr. to unmute yourself, please, and state your name for the record, please. *6 to unmute yourself. Can we get Caleb Gross's SOS, please? Yes.
on Gaines. I don't have it at 8:30 or any time.
You have to get an updated docket, Mr. Well, okay, here, write this down. Unsafe manner, civil infraction, improper equipment, civil infraction, and open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger misdemeanor. The open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, the city does not reduce that. Mr. Gaines, you have to unmute yourself, *6 to unmute yourself. If you don't unmute yourself, we're moving on to the next person. All right, let's pass the matter.
We're ready on Mr. Carmack. Lanos, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Faulkner, try this one out for what will pass. This is the city of Detroit versus Tierra Lundy. Case number SP 1042748, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 18500233, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
Lundy, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sierra Lundy.
Today is the date. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant, Mr. Lundy. Mr. Faulkner.
I'm just trying to find it on my sheet and I can't. What did
Mr.
you say?
Faulkner, this is
Yes.
you send Mr. Faulkner an updated docket sheet, please, Ms.
You say you need a docket sheet?
Updated docket sheet.
Okay.
It's arraignment on the bench warrant. It's not on the sheet.
I know.
For a housekeeping purpose, Judge, can I get an updated docket sheet as well, prosecutor?
All right. Listen, we're gonna have to, we can't interrupt the record, but get Miss Mason an updated docket sheet as well.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Faulkner, for purposes of arraignment.
Waive the formal reading, stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Here you go, Mr. Faulkner. Let me read off the charges. It's just the standard no ops, unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor for the first set. And in the 2018 cases, it's a unregistered, untitled, improper plates, and a no insurance. All misdemeanors.
Did you read those
No
first
ops.
three?
No ops, unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor. in an unregistered, untitled, improper place, and a no insurance misdemeanor. Do you have any documentation, Ms. Lundy?
No.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You wait on Mr. Faulkner. He's gonna get an offer from the city attorney, and then you have an absolute right to a trial, okay, Ms. Lundy?
Okay.
Unless you want the offer now, Judge.
Give it to Mr. Faulkner in the breakout room, please.
I will.
4.
4. All right, Miss Bradfield, Ms. Gross has a valid license.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Shiroki, let's go off the record with Lundy. Mr. Shiroki, who are you ready on?
Karma Lanios.
All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Giannis. Mr. Giannis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has an adjusted offer, which he is accepting. He'll, to the driver's license suspended ticket, he'll be pleading to an allowing an licensed driver to drive. And the remaining counts will be the same as a prior offer on the 6 to 10 speeding. It'll be reduced to 1 to 5 speeding. He'll plead guilty to the improper plates. Then he'll also plead guilty to the failure to stop at stop sign will be reduced to 1 to 5. The remaining tickets will be dismissed. So he's pleading to 4 and dismiss remaining tickets.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Giannis?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down, sir. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Shiroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, no, sir. No, Your Honor.
Do you understand by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Mr. Shiroki, I have an allowing and improper plates in 2 1 to 5s, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to November the 29th, 2023 at around 6:56 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Martin and Devereux Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Nope. No, sir.
Why is that?
It's suspended. My license is suspended.
So find him guilty. Amended count of allowing $240 fine, dismissal upon payment. Was there something wrong with the plate on that vehicle, sir?
Oh, the plate that I had in the vehicle?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It wasn't to that car, to that vehicle.
Well, okay, very well. I'm gonna find him guilty of the amended count, as charged, the improper plate, $240 fine, dismissal upon payment. Mr. Shiroki stipulates to the faces of the ticket that's an active factual basis for those 2 responsible, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
I find them responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 for the 6 to 10 over and a 1 to 5 for the failure to stop. Each have 1 point, $125 fine apiece. 240, 240, 125, 125. When can you pay it, sir?
You said 240, 125?
Yes, and 125. 2 125s, 2 240s. When can you pay it? Stipulate to for purposes of dismissals as to the probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. When can you pay it, sir?
Oh, right now I'm unemployed. I'm on unemployment right now. I start working next week because I do landscaping. So as soon as I mean, while I'm getting paid, I'll be making the payments.
I'm gonna give you 60 days,
That's fine.
6/3/2024. Come back on June the 3rd, 2024. If they're all paid off, we'll dismiss the 2 misdemeanors and close the civil infractions out. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
You said when? June 3rd? At what time?
June 3rd.
Good time.
Don't have any questions? You're free to leave, Mr. Giannis.
At what time, sir?
At 8:25. 8:25.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day. Best of luck to you. Corporal Rule.
Excuse me, do I have to check in?
You already checked in. Good morning.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
All right, good morning. Is Corporal Rule there?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I think you missed the bus, Corporal Rule.
Yeah, I was in training. I totally forgot about.
That's
court,
okay.
and they even had it wrote down in my hand.
I won't mark it down as no officer. I'll just mark it as dismissal, all right?
I appreciate that, sir.
Have a great day, Corporal Rule. I'll see you soon.
All right. We'll see you. Thank you.
Be safe. Be safe. You too.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Bass.
I got you in, Officer Bass. Good morning to you.
Yes, I was just inquiring because I got another courtroom I have to go to. That's what I was wondering. Is it okay to step away?
Check in. Did you speak to Miss Mason?
No, I haven't. Yeah, I haven't spoken to anybody yet.
All right, she was in the breakout room. Go ahead, you can check in and we'll
I can say if she's in the breakout now. If she's in the breakout room now, I can talk to her real quick.
Well, she's down in room 4. I don't know. I'll put you in room. I thought she would. Go ahead. All right. Owens. Jemiah Owens.
Yes,
Good morning to you.
good morning.
This. This is the city of Detroit. This is for you, Mr. Soroki. This is the city of Detroit versus Jemiah Owens, case number SP 1547706, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P374441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Jemiah Monet Lachelle Owens.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial on the matter. Ms. Owens, your offer is going to be pleading that they want to see the SOS. No officer on the leaving the scene of a personal injury accident, and allowing for the license. So.
Sorry, Judge. I do have my permit, Your Honor.
All right, hold on one second. We need to get Owens file and a SOS for Owens, please. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. It says they want to see the for Owens, it says they want to see the SOS on the due care and caution. All right, so I'm gonna print that SOS out, Mr. Soroki. Ms. Owens, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Wait on the attorney to come in there and speak to you, okay?
Okay, what was the offer on this one again, Judge?
It's on the offer sheet for this one. It's
okay.
No offer for leaving the scene of a personal injury accident and allowing for the license issue, and then it says need SOS for the due care and caution. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. 240 as it stands now. I think leaving scene of a personal injury accident might be 6 points. So
yeah, I think that's what I'm thinking.
All right. Join the breakout room. While she's in there, you can talk to Ms. Mason if you choose in breakout room 4B. Did you run the SOS for home?
Yes, it's on top of the file.
It is. All right, SOS, her license is valid and nothing on there. Let's pass the matter. Who's ready?
Lundy,
I'm ready on Ms. Gross, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lundy. Ms. Lundy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Where is Lundy's phone?
Mr. Brian Grigg, stop driving.
So I still got it over here.
Put him out the room. He's driving.
And you driving a Mack truck too.
Yeah, put him out the room.
we have an offer on Lundy, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Tierra Lundy. All right, what's I had one of those. That's coming out. What's the offer going to be for Lundy, Mr. Walker?
She would plead guilty to one failure to display and one improper plates. The rest will be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Miss Lundy?
Yes.
Do you have you don't have a license now?
No.
Are you trying to get a license?
Yes.
Do you have a vehicle now?
No.
All right. Well, it's gonna be there, you know, that's the difficult one. I was gonna give you time to get insurance registration and a license, but you don't have a valid, you don't have a vehicle, so I don't know. You wanna raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Other right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Other right, other right. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. Let's, you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Faulkner went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You understand by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
These tickets go back to 2019. In 2018, you want to set a trial date or not?
No.
All right, well, that's all I can ask. Said no. All right, let me draw your attention back to November the 19th, 2019, at around 3:54 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McNichols and Otter Drive. You have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Why don't you have a license?
Well, I was told that it was suspended.
So why don't you go to the Secretary of State and see?
They told me after the court, then it should be back good.
Run her driver's license, please. Pass the matter. Good morning, Mr. Muhammad.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Very well. Who's your client?
Portia Lamb, Judge. Please and thank you.
All right. What's your client gonna do?
Judge, it was scheduled for a show cause, I believe. There was some issue with filing our appearance, so I was prayerful that we set the show cause aside and just set this for a bench trial.
City of Detroit versus Portia Lamb. Case numbers SP one, what? Hold on one second. SP 1544972, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1544976, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please the most honorable court, Mohammed Nasser, 74485, appearing on behalf of Ms. Portia Lamb, who appears via Zoom, consents to the hearing over Zoom. Ms. Lamb, please state your full name for the record.
Portia Lamb.
All right. Let's call the date and time set for a show cause. I'll set aside the defaults for purposes of arraignment.
Defendant would waive the formal reading, stand mute, humbly request the court to enter a not guilty plea on her behalf.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. And you indicated, I need Portia Lamb's file. You indicated that you want a trial date.
Yes, please, Judge.
Trial date is going to be July the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right?
Thank you, Judge. Always a pleasure.
All right, always. All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Lamb, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. I'll see you soon, Mr. Nasser.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lundy. Ms. Lundy has a valid driver's license, Mr. Faulkner. Was that Faulkner? Yes. We'll dismiss the failure to display. Your license is valid. Enter a plea guilty to the improper plate. All right.
Okay.
That's the new offer based on the valid driver's license. All right. Okay. You want to take the deal now?
Yes.
We were at the point where you understood that you had an absolute right to a trial, correct?
Yes.
Mr. Faulkner went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, I think I went over that. Draw your attention back to November the 19th, 2024. We already talked about that in area 3 at 3:54 p.m. in the area in the city of Detroit, in the area of West McNichols and Otter Drive. You said you recall getting pulled over on that date and time?
Yes.
You operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was there something wrong with the plates on that motor vehicle?
I don't think I registered. I don't think it was registered.
But you have to know. Do you know? Were you for sure it wasn't registered?
For sure, it wasn't registered.
All right. Find her guilty. You satisfied, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Find her guilty of the amended count of improper plates, $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon.
Oh, go ahead.
I'll dismiss upon payment. I'll waive the warrant fees, and she'll be responsible for all the reinstatement fees. Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
$240. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Your Honor, my client has posted $1,200 in bonds, $200 for each ticket she had. I asked the court to take it out of the bond, including the reinstatement fees.
All right. All right, we'll apply the bond. And I think that should do it. I don't think that you'll need to see us anymore. Apply bond. I need to write that a little clearer. Apply bond. And you probably should expect a nice little check back in the mail. It's probably going to take months to get there, ma'am. So let me just make sure that bonds are there. $200. Well, I at least see enough to cover. Apply the bond. So have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. If there's nothing further, we'll dismiss that case once the bonds are applied. All right.
Okay.
Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
Mr. Faulkner, you're up next with Green, Gianni Green.
Green.
Gianni Green.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Gianni Keith, that's Keith, middle name?
Keith, K-E-I. He's down at 835, right below Grandy, right in the middle. This is the city of Detroit versus Gianni Keith Green. Case numbers SP 121-03351, SP 152-7005, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 152-70061. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, I'm mad at that he has at 8:30, he has a ticket also.
Yeah, I called them all into the record.
Okay. I'll have to talk to him.
All right, for your child's pay, your offer, Mr. Green, is going to be no offer on the improper equipment, 1 to 5 over, and no offer on the, so 2 improper equipments and 1 to 5, 120 and 125. That's what the offer is. So plead to, it's 4 tickets here, plead to 3. And then dismissing the no insurance. All right, join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Faulkner. You have an absolute right to a trial. Who's up next?
Your Honor, I'm ready on
Ms.
Janiyah.
Ms. Gross been waiting a while, Your Honor.
Gross. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gross. Ms. Gross, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel and counsel an opportunity to pre-try the case. Which the offer going to be?
Your Honor, Ms. Gross is aware of her trial rights. However, she would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation, which is to plead to the no insurance charge. It will be amended to improper plates, and the other 2 matters will be dismissed. Is that correct, Ms. Gross?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, Ms. Gross? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Yes. Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice and rights, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 10th, 2024, at around 1:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Orchard and Bentler. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
2012 Dodge. Officer asked you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
Because it lapsed.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of amended count of improper plates. Fine her $240. I'll dismiss upon payment. Stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other two matters.
We so stipulated, Your Honor, and my client is asking for 6 weeks to pay.
For providing valid documentation. Pay it by June the 3rd, 2024. Come back June the 3rd, 2024, 8:25. Ms. Gross, if you don't have anything further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you not both that did that app to your phone. And if you don't have anything further.
Quick question. So I pay it and still come to court, or I pay it?
You don't have to come to court if you pay it. Pay it at any div that kiosk. I'm told you can upload that div that app to your phone, or pay it down here at the court. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If you have it paid, you don't have to come, but if it's not paid, I need to see you, all right?
Okay, no problem.
Great day. Best of luck to you.
All righty, you too. Bye-bye.
Ms. Bradfield, this is the city of Detroit versus Brian Briggs, case number SP 1545925, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Griggs. State your name for the record.
My name is Brian Griggs.
All right, no driving in court next time, Mr. Griggs. I think I've seen you before.
No, hey, Jan, I'm at work, man. You know what I mean?
I'm not your man, and take your hat off, and I can't help you being at work. I can have you come down to the courthouse. So consider it a blessing that you can't drive on Zoom. That's all it is to it. All right. Purposes of arraignment.
For purpose of arraignment, he stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. I don't know if it's an offer on here or not. Riggs, offer. No offer on operating an ORV on highway. Dismissing the no insurance misdemeanor. Absolute right to a trial, Mr. Griggs. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield to discuss the matter with her, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, join the room, please. $240 fine, and I believe that carries points. I don't know.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Pass the matter. Mr. Who are we waiting on?
We're ready on Jemiah Owens, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Owens. Ms. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, her decision, her best, the prosecutor wouldn't give us a better deal. I'm recommending defendant go to have this matter, have an appointed attorney for this matter to get all the discovery and set it for a final pretrial.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Owens?
Yes.
All right, I need a phone number from you, ma'am.
313-768-7464.
7464?
Yes.
313-768-7464. I'm going to appoint a lawyer. I'm going to set a pretrial for May the 24th, 2024 at 8:30. What you need to do is you need to answer any calls that you may not recognize, ma'am. Hopefully one of those calls will be that appointed attorney. If that attorney doesn't reach out to you at the latest 2 weeks, then come on back in and we'll appoint one on the spot. You know how to get into our room, all right?
Okay.
come back May 24th, 2024 at 8:30, and we'll proceed from there, all right?
May 24th, 8:30. Okay, thank you.
May 24th at 8:30. Have a very good day, Ms. Owens. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right, Miss Lee.
Yes, I'm here.
Is it Janiqua?
Yes.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Morning.
City of Detroit versus Janiqua Lee, case numbers SP 100588181, SP 1177905, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1372500, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 901181. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Janiqua Lee.
Okay, for SP 100588181, we're gonna close that matter out. She's paid it. And for SP 909, strike that, SP 9011181, we're gonna dismiss that matter because that matter has been paid. We're only operating off the 4 matters that are on the docket today. Unfortunately, I don't believe that there's going to be an offer in the file because those were set for 8:30. So you're going to have to get an offer for Ms. Lee. I see 1 count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. It's not going to be an offer for that. That's the lowest the city will go. So either we can set a trial date right now, or you can get an updated offer. What would you like to do, Mr. Soroki, for your client?
I'll see what the offer is, Your Honor, and give my client the option and go from there. Miss Lee, do you have a valid driver's license at this time?
No, they won't let me get my license until I cleared up all the ticket.
Thank you.
All right, so let me put you in a breakout room. You can talk to Miss Mason. She should be in breakout room 4.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room 2, Miss Lee. Wait on Mr. Soroki.
Okay. All right.
All right, let's pass the matter. Any other lawyers available? Not right now. On the iPhone, the gentleman on the iPhone, unmute yourself. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
Patrick Graham.
Patrick Graham.
Yes.
Good morning. Jesse Gaines never unmuted himself. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Gaines. Patrick O'Neill Graham.
Yes, sir.
We have 1 counsel for Graham. Who's ready? Nobody yet. Mr. Faulkner, are we ready on Mr. Green?
No, I have to talk to
Miss Mason.
Miss Mason.
We'll put you in breakout room 4. Officer Eason was here, so all the officers showed up for Graham. A. Lloyd is here for trial, correct? So let's see who's here for Lloyd. One officer showed for Lloyd. All right, who are we ready? Mr. Soroki, are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor. She's going to take a plea.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Your client wants to take a deal. What's the deal going to be?
Your Honor, Ms. Lee will be pleading as charged of open alcohol passenger, and the remaining 3 tickets on the docket will be dismissed. The driver's license suspended, the no insurance misdemeanor, and driver's license suspended.
Do you understand, Ms. Lee? We're back on the record with Ms. Lee, by the way. Do you understand that these tickets are going to give you a 2 points on your license, an alcohol-related offense on your license, and $240 fine now?
Yes.
And you still want to take the deal?
Yeah, I just want to get it over with.
That's what they all say, but I don't know. Okay, we'll let you just get it over with then. Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
No.
He didn't? Go back in the breakout
I didn't
room.
hear you. I didn't hear you.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
And any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 29th, 2022 at around 12:57 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Jefferson and Connor. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle at that time now?
I was.
Was there an open alcohol of cognac in that vehicle?
Yes.
The alcohol the cognac was open?
Yes.
And it had alcohol in the container, ma'am?
Yes.
No?
Yes. I don't
It
remember,
didn't?
honestly. I don't remember, honestly. I don't even know. I was.
All right, we're gonna set a trial date now. Trial is going to be July the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. Okay, come back July 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. We're still going to do the other. We're still going to close out the one, Miss Memphis. Dismiss. And just the trial on these. At July 1st, 2024, 9 a.m. on these cases that I called. All right. If it's nothing further, July 1st, we'll get some resolution on that date. All right, ma'am?
Okay.
Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Already on Gianni Green.
Okay, hold on a second, Mr. Faulkner. This is the city of Detroit versus this is a trial, Mr. Soroki. I'm going to call it into the record and give you an opportunity to pre-try the case, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Patrick O'Neill.
Yes, Your Honor.
Jr. Case numbers SP 1520652, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1522575, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1522561. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defender. What's your name for the record, sir?
Patrick Graham.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial. The offer as it stands right now is pleading to failure to display, 2 counts, and expired plate. And he's got an improper equipment that wasn't put on the offer sheet that should have been. So speak to Miss Mason, see what the officer is. I'm trying to pull these officers, and tell Miss Mason when you speak with her to pull her officers out of the room. Sergeant Lord is here, and Officer or Corporal Eugene is here. All right, Mr. Soroka, I'm going to pass the matter, give you an opportunity to pre-try the case. All right.
Thank you.
Wait in the breakout room, Mr. Graham, for Mr. Soroka.
Okay.
Pass the matter, Mr. Faulkner. You ready on someone?
Green.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Faulkner, I've given you an opportunity. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Green, and Mr. Faulkner, I've given you an opportunity to pre-try the case. What's the outcome gonna be?
Responsible to 1 to 5 over. Dismiss every other case.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's gonna be 1 point on your license.
Even though I took the class for the driving.
Yeah, and we have a new city attorney.
That's fine.
Did you let Mr. Faulkner know that?
Yes, and I told the prosecutor.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna stop offering the class. I guess it's a reduction of 3 points, though. It was a 4-point offense, but.
Plus, she dropped another case after she found out.
All right. Very well. All right, so stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 over $125. Dismiss the other matters. When can you pay, Mr. Green?
I'll pay this Friday.
Friday?
No.
All right, I'm gonna give you until next week to make sure it gets in here by the 9th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If it's nothing further, sir, you have best of luck to you. Have a very good day. All right.
You do the same. Thank you.
All right, dude. Thank you. Mr. Faulkner, we have A. Lloyd here for trial, and I believe some officers have showed. We'll put it on the record. We'll give you an opportunity to pre-try the case, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Alicia Latoya Lloyd, case number SP 1485975-1, SP 1485981, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1492775, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Alicia Lloyd.
Ms. Lloyd, today is the date and time set for a trial. There is, I think, at least one officer, Corporal is here for Lloyd as well. I could not put that, bring that corporal out of the breakout room. I don't see Officer Spence, Officer Paula Spence, and I have not seen that officer join the breakout room or check in. Corporal Vagine, I hope I pronounced that right. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Did I get the pronunciation of your last name correct?
It's Vagin.
Vagin, I'm sorry. Can you put your appearance on the record for Alicia Latoya Lloyd?
Yes, sir. It's Corporal Vagin, Detroit Police, badge 234.
All right, very well. Mr. Faulkner, go get the offer for, well, I should have the offer.
Yeah.
And then I'll get a chance to speak on that. So.
You'd plead the improper place.
It would be improper place, $240 fine, dismissing the rest because of the insurance. And for purposes of the counts that were Officer Paula Spence, SP 1485981, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1485971. Officer Spence, hearing no response. Mr. Faulkner.
Your Honor, move to dismiss. No officer.
Grant that motion to dismiss. No officer.
Known the unregistered or no insurance that this officer's there. They've
improper plates 240. And do you have valid registration and insurance, Ms. Lloyd?
No.
All right, 240 is going to be the offer. I'll dismiss that upon payment. Go in the breakout room with Mr. Faulkner and speak to him. You have an absolute right to a trial. Today is the date and time set for a trial. And if we need to do that, we'll do that. All right. Go in the breakout room, we'll pass the matter.
What room number you gonna put her in?
3.
3?
Yes. Okay, where are we? I still haven't had, let's pass that matter. Where are we on, has he reached back out to me, street outreach? No, because it failed to send, I'm sorry. Let's see if we can, he usually is very timely, so why is it saying failed to send? Yes. All right, I'm sorry. Ms. Little, just recognized my phone was not operating properly, so I'm sorry for the wait. He should call back real soon or zoom in real soon, all right? Were we ready on? No one.
Hey, Your Honor, quick question.
Yes, Graham is here. Patrick Graham is here.
He's here, okay.
Yes, so come, you can stay on out of that room. Go in the room, please, Officer Easton, and get all of those, and tell all those officers to come out, please.
Okay, I will, for sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lloyd. Ms. Lloyd, I'll give you the opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Yeah, she would plead guilty to the, I think it's improper plates, if I remember correct.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Lloyd?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You understand the maximum possible penalty, you can put your hand down, for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Faulkner went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You said yes?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 24th, 2023 at around 3:47 p.m. City of Detroit area, Grand River and Briggs. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operate the motor vehicle? Were you operating the motor vehicle?
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce either valid registration or valid insurance.
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have it at the time.
Very well. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the no valid insurance. I'll fine you $240 with the stipulation of probable cause. I will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, and I will dismiss the improper plate upon payment of the $240. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Can I pay it like 45 days?
Why so long?
Because I'm in the middle of moving right now.
I'm gonna give you till June the 3rd, 2024. That's your review date. Come back then, and if it's paid, we'll close the matter out and dismiss. If it's not paid, I need to understand why. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If it's nothing further, best of luck to you, and with the move, and have a very good day. June 3rd, 2024 at 8:45. All right.
Judge, if I pay that off before then or any time before my court date, do I still come to court or not?
You don't have to, as long as it's in the system. That's gonna be up to you to make sure it's paid off. All right.
Okay.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. And now, Officer Bates, Corporal Beijing, give me the correct pronunciation again.
Bajan.
Bajan, have a very good day to you as well, and be safe.
Okay, I still have one more case.
Yes, you do. All right. All right, Miss Lloyd. Okay. Who are the officers that are on Gavin, Officer Richardson, there's no Gavin, never showed. So you're free to leave. Be safe out there. Officer
Thank you,
Frank.
sir. Have a good
No,
day.
For
You be
Gavin,
safe.
Go for
Yes.
Frank.
For Gavin, who's saying for Gavin?
Officer Hudson was also here for Taz Gavin.
Okay. So you're free to leave. Be safe.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
All right, Officer Franklin, no Kyle Lawrence. You're free to leave. Be safe out there. For Goodman, Officer Parker, no Goodman. Be safe.
Okay, thank you.
Officer Tillman for Lawrence, no Lawrence. Be safe out there, Officer Tillman.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Right. Seems like it's it. I don't know what. A. Williams for Gaines. Tamia Gaines never showed. Okay. Be safe, Officer Tillman. Officer Williams. All right. Let's. Who's ready?
Patrick Graham is ready, Your Honor.
Graham, let's go back on the record with Patrick Graham. Can you, and Sergeant Lord, can you put your appearance on the record, please, for Patrick Graham?
Yes, Your Honor. Sergeant Lord here on Graham.
All right, and you are with what department? Badge number, please.
Badge number S1221 with Detroit Police.
All right, good morning to you and Officer Bajan. Can you put, Corporal Bajan, can you put your appearance on the record for Graham, please?
It's Easton, Your Honor.
It's Easton?
Yes.
Officer Easton,
Joseph
good morning.
Easton.
Can you put your appearance on the record for Graham, please?
Yes, sir. Also, Easton Badger, 68, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Okay, what's the deal?
Your Honor, my client has valid insurance and valid registration. His offer is on the driver's license suspended ticket to be reduced to allowing a licensed driver to drive, and on the driver's license suspended ticket, second ticket, with that ticket, he'll be pleading to a failure to display. So the remaining 4 tickets with no insurance and no improper plate and expired plates will be dismissed.
All right, is that what you want to do, sir? Take the deal?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I swear, Your Honor.
You put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Excuse me, I couldn't hear you.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
I understand, Your Honor.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 16th, 2023 at around 4:28 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile Bubble. Did you have an occasion on the day to come in contact with the police department?
Yes, I remember.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
No, I couldn't, Your Honor.
All right, why is that?
I had just went to the Secretary of State a little while back to pull up my driving record, and I had an unsatisfied judgment from the year 2013 in which $7,800 was owed.
All right,
So-
so in the short story is you didn't have a valid license, correct?
Right.
All right.
But I did file a motion with 36th district so they can reopen the case and I can get on the payment arrangement. I did do that.
Do you have a valid license now?
Not at the moment, no.
All right, well, all right, let's find your client guilty. You said a failure to display and an allowing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client guilty of the failure to display. We'll just, for judicial economy, we'll just say, give her an improper plate. Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance on that vehicle, sir?
You was talking to me, Your Honor?
Yes.
Well, excuse, what did you say? Can you repeat it, please?
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes,
when
he did.
stopped? You couldn't do that either, could you?
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
I had let it expire.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates 240. That's the same, it's have the same effect as an allowing. Stipulate to the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
240. When can you pay it, Mr. Graham?
I have it finished by the end of the month. How much is it?
40 and 240.
4240?
No, 240 and 240, $480.
Oh, $480. Oh, I can have that done at the end of the month. Or if I can like get a
Pay it by May the 2nd, 2024. All right.
May the 2nd, 2024.
Yeah, pay it by May the 2nd, 2024. And come on back on that date. If it's paid, we'll dismiss one and close the other out. All right. Pay it in any Div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that Div that app to your phone. If you don't, if you don't do that, you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. You don't have anything further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
I just have one question. Do that when I come up there right before May the 2nd, do that mean it be paid in full, or I can like, make payments?
It's like paid in full. I'm giving you 30 days.
Okay, I'll pay it in full.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, well, what time?
8:25.
8:25, May 2nd. All right, Your Honor.
All right, have a good.
Okay, you too.
All right, very good. Mr. Soroki, this is the city of Detroit. All right, Mr. Officer Eason and Sergeant Lord, you have a very good day. You both be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Ramon Grayson. Case numbers SP 1544679, counts 1 and counts 2, Mr. Soroki. Can you put your appearance on the, please?
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Stephen Garrison.
Garrison, I'm sorry. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the benchmark. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, defendant waived phone reading, stands mute at this time, Your Honor.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. There's no offer on there. It's a reckless driving and no insurance. Get offer from Miss Mason, and I'm gonna put Mr. Garrison in the breakout room. You have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Garrison, all right? And wait on Mr. Soroki to come in and talk to you.
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Griggs. I've given you an opportunity, Mr. Griggs, to speak to counsel and counsel an opportunity. Ms. Bradfield, what's going to be the outcome of this case?
Your Honor, I sent you a message in chat regarding his matter. If I'm not mistaken, I had asked for a copy of the ticket, but I'm not mistaken. The vehicle he was driving on that day was an Acura and not an off-road vehicle. So I wanted to see the ticket to see if it was written wrong.
Yes. Operation of unregistered ORV on public highway. It says 2009 Acura, black in color.
So count 1 is defective on face. So we move to dismiss that matter because he was driving an Acura. He did provide insurance documents for Acura during the time period that he was written that ticket as well, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Mason, all right. Well, did you talk to her about that?
No, I didn't. I will.
Go in the breakout room 4, talk to her about that, and then I'll rule on the motion once she gets an opportunity to respond, all right?
Thank you.
And then what's gonna be with the other ticket? You're saying he had valid insurance, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Very well. Speak to her in a breakout room. You can join that room now.
Thank you.
They said 15 or 20 minutes, they'll be in. That was a few minutes ago, Miss Little.
Carrot cake is good.
It was? All right, now you have,
This time. It's got a little lemon in it. Lemon in the frosting.
taste,
Yeah.
I'm sure it's probably a little lemon.
Yeah, it's good.
Ready on Greg?
Yes, Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss both counts.
All right, Mr. Griggs, you can get the wheels back turning, sir. Cases are gonna be dismissed, all right?
Mr. Griggs,
Mr.
did you hear
Griggs.
that? I think he might be frozen, Your Honor. You're muted, sir.
Hello?
Mr. Griggs, you can get the wheels back going. Your cases are dismissed, all right?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Bradford.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, if you could give me one moment before we go to the next case.
Absolutely. All right, we have to wait on the court reporter to come on out. But what's the outcome going to be on Harrison? Mr. Soroka?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready on Mr. Garrison, Stephen Garrison. He's going to be requesting a
We're
pretrial.
gonna wait on the court reporter, but what is he gonna do though?
He's going to request a special attorney to represent him in this matter because of the reckless driving ticket, and he's going to be requesting a pretrial.
I'm back, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Garrison. Mr. Garrison, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel, and counsel indicates that you want to appoint an attorney, correct?
Yes.
All right, I need a good phone number from you, please.
It'll be 313-696-2827.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for you for May the 24th, 2024 at 8:30. I'm gonna request appointed counsel. I'm requesting appointed counsel. If that counsel doesn't that counsel doesn't reach out to you in about 2 weeks, you need to get back to court, and we can see if we can find one, get one on the spot appointed to you. Okay.
Okay.
Your next pretrial date is going to be May 24th, 2024 at 8:30. All right.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay. You too.
All right. Thank you. This is recall the case of Jesse, the city of Detroit versus Jesse Lamont Gaines Jr. Case number SB 130-5745. Counts 2 SB 152-39851. Can you put your appearance on the record, please, Mr. Soroka?
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Jesse Gaines.
Today is the date and time set for a
Hello.
Going to be set for arraignment on the bench warrant, counselor.
Defendant at this time waives the formal reading, stands mute, Your Honor.
Okay, enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. You're gonna have to get an updated offer. Well, it's no offer on the open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. $240 fine, 2 points on his license, alcohol related offense on his license. And you have to get an updated offer on the unsafe manner and improper equipment, or we can just go straight to trial. He has an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Gaines, and speak to Mr. Soroki. Wait on him until he speaks with the city attorney or he comes in and advises you, all right?
Okay.
He's in the breakout, Mr. Soroki.
Thank you. Let's see here. Two.
Hello?
Back on the record. Mr. Gaines, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Gaines, what's your client want to do, Mr. Soroka?
Mr. Gaines wishes to have a special counsel appointed for him, have the matter set for pretrial.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gaines?
Yes.
Is this number 947-236-8020 a good number for you?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for May the 24th, 2024 at 8:30. I'm gonna mark the file, need appointed counsel. You need to answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully that one of those calls will be that appointed counsel. If you don't hear from that counsel in the next 2 weeks, then you can reach back out to the court. We'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Come back on May 24th, 2024 at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thanks.
Thank you.